Hello! In this video, we're going to solve exercises on convection. In this figure, the hot water system in a house is shown. The water moves through this system due to convection currents. Decide which way the hot and cold water moves. Since the boiler produces hot water, and the hot water is characterized by its less density, then it will move upwards and will be accumulated in the hot water tank. And the cold water will move from the hot water tank to the boiler in order to be heated. So, what's your answer? For the hot water, does it move from the boiler to the hot water tank or from the hot water tank to the boiler? Well, from the boiler to the hot water tank, because this hot water has less density than it floats upwards. And what's your answer for the cold water? Does it move from the boiler to the hot water tank or from the hot water tank to the boiler? Yes, it moves from the hot water tank to the boiler because it has greater density than the hot water, so it sinks. It moves to the boiler where it accumulates and it's heated, and then the cycle continues as we have discussed. So let's check these answers. Good job! That's all. Thanks for watching.